has what you call the review of the situation. And then you have an objective what is to be achieved. And then you tailor make your whole plan to achieve that objective. That is the basic drill which we have been taught through and through. So, but when we apply for job, we say we forget this thing and we carpet bomb. We say we have done this. That doesn't go. What he said is right. First of all, you need to know what job you want to do. What does that? What skills does it want? And then highlight the skills that how you already have those skills and how you will be useful to that organization. I will quote an say example. If you are applying to a logistics company where the work is going to be of movement of stores from place A to place B using multiple modes of transport. So in that case, if you have been a DQ or if you have been an AQ, you have done this kind of work umpteen number of times and you have done it in a very dynamic situation where the requirement changes by the hour as to where a thing is supposed to reach. It's not unlike civils where once it has taken from place X, it goes to place Y. But your handled situation, it starts from place X, you really don't know where it is to go. And you come to know at the last minute and you have to still keep moving it. And you have that kind of a talent. But unless you put it across that, okay, this is what you are looking for, on that I have the skill sets. Then you will be able to grab that chap's attention. That okay, this chap has something which I am looking for. So that is one thing. But whenever you write, like